Mike Zioli with betterbeatsmusic.com, and I'm returning today with another mini lesson. Today is part 3 of my Pair-A-diddle warm-up series. So if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2 yet, check those out first. We're going to be using that same accent pattern for today's lesson, alright? So, that being said, for today's variation, we're going to be having both sticks, both hands on the hi-hat, playing 16th note pair-A-diddles. 1E and a 2E and a right, left, right, left, left. Okay? Now, we're going to be playing beat 2 and 4 with the snare drum as well, along with that. So, you're right-handed, the left hand's going to come down off the hi-hat and play the snare drum. You're left-handed, the right hand's going to come down and play the snare drum. Alright, the other thing to note is that we're also going to be playing the kick drum along with the accent pattern. That's the main thing. So for the first round, we'll play the first note of the pair-A-diddle. Pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle, pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle. Second round, you're going to play the second note of the pair-A-diddle. Pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle, pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle. And then the third round, the diddle, pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle, pair-A-diddle, snare. Okay, and the last time is going to be the dull. Pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle, pair-A-diddle, snare-A-diddle. Alright? Diddle, snare-A-diddle. Yeah, it's a little funky. It's fun though. But listen, I'm going to just play 4 beats of each for a quick example. But I highly recommend that you take your time and get the muscle memory down, nice and slow. Repeat it. Once you're playing the pattern smoothly, then you can begin to speed up your tempo. Alright, let's take it to the drum set. Here we go. Okay guys, welcome back to Better Beats Pair-A-diddle warm-ups. So today, like I said, we're going to be having both sticks, both hands on the hi-hat, and we're going to be playing the snare on 2 and 4, 16th notes, pair-A-diddles on the hi-hat again. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Okay, pair-A-diddles on the hi-hat. Now, the bass drum is going to come in on beat 1 and beat 3. And it's going to follow the same accent pattern series that we did in parts 1 and part 2. So for the first round, it'll be the downbeat of the pair-A-diddle. Then for the second round, the second note of the pair-A-diddle. Then the third and fourth, and so on, okay? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, refer back to those other 2 videos first to get the count. But check it out. Here we go. Nice and slow. 3E and a 4E and a... Feeling uncomfortable switching so quickly like that, I recommend that you repeat each one first. Get the muscle memory down, okay? I'm going to give you now a little bit of a mid-tempo of the same pattern. Here we go, 4 beats of each. 3 and a 4 and a... And then maybe a little faster. 3 and a 4 and a... So that's it for part 3 of Better Beats Pair-A-diddle accent warm-ups, whatever you want to call it, mini lesson, okay? Hope you have fun with those patterns though. I really enjoy playing them. Just remember, get the muscle memory, go slow at first, speed will follow. Just get the muscle memory down, that's the key. Alright, so you can follow me online for social media. I'm on Instagram, Better Beats Music. I'm on Facebook, Better Beats Music. If you want some online private lessons, you can reach me at betterbeatsmusic.com.
And you better keep playing those better beats. I'll catch you on the next beat.